Okay, guys. I just wanna share with you guys basics about trigonometry. Okay, so in grade 10, this is where you learn about this topic, which is called trigonometry. It's one of my favorite topics in mathematics. And it seems to be challenging to most learners, but then it's not really that difficult. Just that it's challenging and tricky. Okay, so let's start. So here I have a triangle. Okay, so you will notice that we have different types of triangle, but then the one that I have just drawn here, it is a triangle that we call a right angle triangle. Okay, so meaning that one angle is 90 degrees. Okay, so this is a right angle triangle. So this angle is 90 degrees. Okay, so now you see this of your right angle triangle, this corner will always point to you to a side that we call a hypotenuse. It is a side of a triangle, your right angle triangle, and then it is always the longest side. Okay, so this is your hypotenuse. Okay, so whenever you have a right angle triangle, your 90 degrees, this will always point to your hypotenuse. Okay, just for hypotenuse. Okay, and then your hypotenuse doesn't change, it will always remain hypotenuse. Okay, but then now we have other sides, which is adjacent side and opposite side. Okay, so these two, they can always change, like depending on your orientation. Okay, depending on where you are. Let's say that you are standing here. Okay, so let's say that you are standing here. It's your say Abi is standing here. Okay, so whenever Abi is standing here, his opposite side will be this side. Okay, so this is the side which is facing Abi. Okay, but then now the side where Abi is standing on top of, it is an adjacent side. So this will be your side. Okay, this is your adjacent side because of where you are sitting. But then let's just say that we also have someone sitting somewhere here. Okay, let's say that here we have Mpo. Okay, so Mpo is sitting there. Okay, if Mpo is sitting here, Mpo will have a different information. Please allow me to use a different color. So we said that if Abi is sitting here, let me just run those quickly. We said if Abi is sitting here, this side will be opposite side for Abi, and this one will be what? Will be the adjacent side of Abi. Okay, so the side which is facing this A, it is opposite side. But then where Abi is sitting, it's adjacent side. Or let me change the color. Now, okay, cool. So now let's talk about if we have a different person here. We have Mpo sitting there. Okay, if ever Mpo sitting there, the side which is facing Mpo, it's gonna be this side. Okay, so this side will be an opposite side for Mpo. Okay, but then now the adjacent side, it's gonna be the side where Mpo is sitting. Okay, it's gonna be this side. It's gonna be your Mpo's adjacent. But then, like I said, that the adjacent side, I mean the hypotenuse side, does not change at all. It doesn't change completely. It is always the side which is pointed by the corner of your 90 degree sign. Okay, so and then your your adjacent and your opposite will always be dependent on where you are, will always dependent on your location. Okay, but then now your opposite side will always be, your opposite side will always be what? Your opposite side will always be the side that you are facing. Okay, so if you check, let me just come back. This A, it's facing that side. Okay, so it will be the opposite side. Okay, but then this M will have a different opposite side. So this M will have this side as an opposite side. I hope I am making sense on that. Okay, thank you.